Have you ever stared into the night sky and wondered if we are truly alone in the universe? This question has perplexed humanity for centuries, and in our quest for answers, we've turned our gaze to the stars, more specifically, to exoplanets and the habitable zone. Let's break it down. Exoplanets, or extrasolar planets, are planets that orbit stars beyond our own solar system. It's a vast cosmic sea out there with countless stars and quite possibly an even more staggering number of exoplanets. But not all these exoplanets are created equal, and that's where the habitable zone comes into play. The habitable zone, often dubbed the Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions may be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. And why is this so important? Well, as far as we know, water is a vital ingredient for life. No water, no life, at least not as we understand it. Finding an exoplanet in the habitable zone doesn't guarantee the existence of life, but it sure does increase the odds. It's akin to finding a desert oasis when you're parched and desperate for a drink. It's a beacon of potential in the vast, often inhospitable universe. Now, don't get too excited just yet. The criteria for habitability are stringent, and our understanding of these cosmic frontiers is still evolving. But recent discoveries have fueled our interest and optimism in the search for extraterrestrial life. We've found exoplanets that are rocky like Earth, exoplanets with atmospheres, and even exoplanets that show signs of water vapor. Each new discovery peels back a layer of the cosmic onion, bringing us one step closer to answering that age-old question. So, as we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, we find ourselves on the brink of astounding discoveries about exoplanets in the habitable zone. The universe is vast, and our journey has only just begun. The universe is teeming with exoplanets, each with its unique characteristics. These celestial bodies, located light years away from us, have dramatically reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. It's a bit like walking into a cosmic candy store, with each planet offering a new flavor of discovery. Let's start at the beginning. The first confirmed detection of exoplanets came about in the early 90s. 2 planets were found orbiting a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star. These were the first hints that our solar system wasn't the only kid on the cosmic block. Since then, our knowledge of these distant worlds has grown exponentially. With the help of advanced telescopes and innovative techniques, we have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Each new discovery brings with it a sense of awe and wonder, pushing the boundaries of what we thought we knew about the universe. The diversity of these exoplanets is nothing short of astonishing. Consider the so-called hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit their stars closer than Mercury orbits the Sun. Then there are the super-Earths, rocky worlds that are larger than our home planet but smaller than Neptune. Some planets even orbit 2 stars, much like Tatooine from Star Wars. And let's not forget about the planets made entirely of diamond, or those with rain made of molten glass. Yes, you heard that right. The universe is not just a cosmic candy store, but a treasure trove of unimaginable wonders. But amidst this dazzling diversity, there's a special group of exoplanets that has captured our attention. These are the planets located in the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone. It's not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. And where there's water, there might be life. These exoplanets, as diverse as they are, all share one common trait. They reside in the habitable zone. They offer us hope, a tantalizing possibility that we might not be alone in this vast, beautiful universe. But what exactly is this habitable zone that these exoplanets call home? Imagine a grand cosmic ballet where the stars are the dancers and the planets are their twirling partners. The habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, is the dance floor where the conditions are just right. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for the existence of liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The habitable zone is a region around a star where an orbiting planet could have surface temperatures that allow for the presence of liquid water. It's like a comfortable belt of real estate in the vast cosmos, where a planet is neither too close nor too far from its star, making conditions potentially suitable for life. Now, the criteria for habitability are not just about the right temperature. The planet needs to have an atmosphere to regulate its climate, protect it from harmful radiation, and to help retain the surface water. It's like having a cozy blanket that shields us from the harsh outer space. Take Mars, for example. It's located in the Sun's habitable zone, but its thin atmosphere makes it too cold and dry for liquid water to exist on its surface. That's why we're still on the hunt for signs of past or present life on Mars. Recent discoveries of exoplanets in the habitable zone have fueled our curiosity and hope in the search for alien life. For instance, Proxima Centauri b, orbiting the closest star to our solar system, is located in its star's habitable zone. It's a tantalizing prospect that stirs our imagination about the potential for life beyond our home planet. The habitable zone is not a guarantee of life, but rather a starting point in our search. It's like a cosmic treasure map, guiding us towards planets with the most promising conditions for life. The habitable zone is a celestial sweet spot, a place where life as we know it has the best chance of thriving. Before we continue our cosmic journey, a quick reminder. If you're intrigued by the mysteries of the universe and the fascinating science behind exoplanets, let's make sure we stay connected. By subscribing to our channel, you're signing up to journey through the cosmos with us, uncovering new discoveries and insights along the way. And if you're enjoying the ride so far, why not give this video a thumbs up? Your likes help us navigate through the vastness of the YouTube galaxy, reaching out to more like-minded explorers. Finally, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Got a burning question about exoplanets? Or perhaps a theory you'd like to share? Drop a comment below and let's kickstart a cosmic conversation. Remember, your engagement fuels our exploration. By joining in, you're contributing to a community passionate about understanding our universe. Now, let's return to the cosmos and explore more about these fascinating exoplanets. Now that we understand the habitable zone, let's explore some surprising facts about the exoplanets residing there. Firstly, the sheer number of these planets is astounding. There are estimated to be billions of exoplanets in our Milky Way galaxy alone, and a significant number of them fall within the habitable zone. That's billions of potential homes for extraterrestrial life. Secondly, these exoplanets are incredibly diverse. Some are rocky like Earth, while others are gas giants similar to Jupiter. This variety suggests that life, if it exists elsewhere, could take forms that we can't even imagine. Thirdly, the oldest known exoplanet in a habitable zone is Kepler 452b, which is about 6 billion years old. That's 1.5 billion years older than our Earth. Imagine the kinds of life that could have evolved in that extra time. Fourthly, not all exoplanets in the habitable zone are likely to be habitable. Other factors, such as the planet's atmosphere, its magnetic field, and the stability of its parent star, also play critical roles in determining whether life could exist there. Fifthly, and perhaps most surprisingly, is that some of these exoplanets could have conditions that are even more suitable for life than Earth. Take the exoplanet Kepler 62f, for instance. It's located in its star's habitable zone and is only 40% larger than Earth, making it one of the most potentially habitable exoplanets discovered so far. Lastly, the recent discovery of phosphine in the atmosphere of Venus, a potential sign of life, has sparked renewed interest in our search for life on exoplanets. If life can exist in the harsh conditions of Venus, who's to say it can't thrive on an exoplanet in the habitable zone? These facts and discoveries remind us that the universe is full of surprises and potential for life. Our journey through the cosmos brings us back to our initial question. We've traversed the intricacies of the universe, marveled at the Exoplanet Extravaganza, and even dipped our toes in the life-friendly zone. We've learned that the habitable zone is a sweet spot where conditions might just be right for liquid water to exist. And where there's water, there's potential for life. We've discovered that exoplanets are incredibly diverse, with some even resembling our own Earth. We've peered into the potentially habitable worlds around distant stars, and these findings have sparked our curiosity and fueled our search for life beyond our own planet. The quest for understanding our place in the universe is a complex puzzle. Each exoplanet discovery is a piece that brings us closer to the complete picture. As we continue to explore the universe, we are left with a sense of wonder and anticipation for what we might discover next.